A redesigned Subaru WRX debuted for the 2022 model year, and Subaru has now launched a rally version. The new WRX rally car will make its competition debut in the American Rally Association (ARA) Championships Ojibwe Forests Rally running August 24 to 25, replacing cars based on the previous generation WRX platform. Current Subaru factory team driver Brandon Semenek will drive the number 180 car with co-driver Keaton Williams, but they'll be joined in 2024 by Travis Pastrana, making his return to the ARA series after a one-year hiatus. The WRX rally car is built by Vermont Sports Car, which also constructed previous generations of WRX rally cars for ARA competition, as well as Pastrana's Subaru GL family Huckster and WRX STI Airslayer Gymkhana cars. Starting at the launch of the current generation WRX in the US, the company spent 18 months designing and testing the rally car for its competition debut. The build starts with a stock WRX body shell that is fully seam welded and fitted with an FIA/USAC compliant roll cage constructed from T45 steel. The stock gas tank is replaced with a 21.6-gallon Kevlar fuel cell, while the driver and driver sit in Sparco racing seats, again designed to FIA safety regulations. The car is designed to ARA Open 4DVD rules, which allow for a large rear wing and widened fenders. Those parts are made of carbon fiber, and the whole car wears Subaru's traditional rally livery of WR Blue Pearl, with the automaker's star logo rendered in yellow. Rallying has never been as popular in the US as in other countries, but Subaru believes the latest ARA rules will attract more competition and in turn create an upswing in fan interest. The automaker also sees this as an opportunity to introduce its famous blue and yellow WRX rally cars to a new generation.